Hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to devlabs.ai. So, in this video, we are going to solve Dataflow Quick Start Python. So, guys, if you not yet subscribe my devlabs.ai channel, please make sure that please like and subscribe the channel. So, this is a way where I would get more motivated to make more solutions based on cloud as well as AI. So, let me start our lab, guys. Click on start the lab here. So, just copy a password and open a console in ignore mode, and then click on next here. And after that, paste your password here and click on next here and click on I understand. So guys, after that, click on agree and continue. Sometimes it may display, it may not display. So click on agree and continue here. So guys, now open your CloudShare terminal, guys, in your lab. So click on continue. So come back, guys. So guys, I'll be put a link in the description, so get access of that link. So guys, just come back and then just copy your export zone here, export region here, sorry, and then click on got it and paste it here, and just come back to your lab and then click on task number one. So about task number one, you can see this set the region. So below this there is a code given here. So copy this US central one region, copy your region, most probably. So it will be unique in everyone's lab, so make sure that copy your region name. So click on enter. After that, just come back to a lab and copy the another curl command in the link given link in the description. Just paste it and click on enter. So click on authorize. So wait for a few minutes, guys. It may take 2 to 3 minutes, most probably. After that, there is another procedure to be done here. So watch this very carefully. After that, I'll be showing the another where would be the lab will be execute as soon as possible. Okay. So guys, in this you can see here, here it is in info, means every dependence has been loaded here and downloaded here, you can see. So after that it will be loading here. So come back to lab and then make sure that right click on the data flow jobs here and then click on ignore mode. So remove this unwanted one. So guys, remove this. So click on this link here of this B map. So you can see a data flow structure, you can see here. So it is in running state, guys. So wait for at least 5 minutes, guys. So after this everything will be green tick automatically. So everything will get green tick. So here also the job status must be get green tick, then only our lab will be get executed. So let me wait for 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, guys, for execution of this. So guys, you can see here green tick has been successfully in our job status here. You can see our status also. Just refresh once again. So here we got here everything green tick here. So let me move to our lab and let me check our progress, guys. So just come back to our lab and click on task number one. So below task number one, click on check my progress here. So assessment has been completed. Let me move on another task of another check my progress. Click on check my progress here. So guys, wait for a few seconds because it is asking for please submit data flow job in the lab. So we must wait until our job is succeeded. Now it is succeeded, guys. You can see here now it is succeeded. So just come back here and click on check my progress once again here at the task number 4. So you can see at the task number 4 we got the assessment is completed tick here. So guys, finally our lab has been successfully completed. There is no more any check my progress, guys. So guys, please make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai, guys. So let me meet on in the next video, and please make sure that subscribe the channel, guys. So thank you, guys.